Hello everyone, this is Cécile, and here is your essential oil of the week, the one that I have energetically identified for you using my Aroma Soul Therapy method. And to identify this oil, I first need to look over your energetic weaknesses. And this week, I found out that it was related to subconscious sufferings from your childhood, something that affects your cells and organs. So I'm not at all surprised that the oil that best meets your needs this week is rose, Rosa Damascena. It's not the cheapest, but it's the king of oil or the queen of oils. And here we only use olfaction to enjoy the benefits of essential oils in this video. But if there is an oil that we primarily benefit from through inhalation, it is rose. It is the oil of the heart and soul, and it acts at all levels of the mind and body. And it comforts, it dissolves emotional pain, it brings joy, it opens you up to the abundance and unconditional love, and it allows you to let yourself be loved. And it is particularly helpful in relieving internal heat also, especially when liver and gallbladder are concerned. And usually it manifests through tension, irritability, headaches, constipation, very glamorous. But it also helps you in case of overworked heart, when you think too much, when you have tension, anxiety, palpitation, headaches. And so it will help you transition from a state of stress, very often unconscious, to us, and this state of stress usually lowers your nutrition level, your regeneration, and you need it to flip over to another state where it allows relaxation and regeneration. It's from one nervous system to the other. And so without giving you a whole lecture about rose, know that even though it's an investment, okay, it does it all, okay, and it is really worth its price. But above all, at the end, you will realize that you truly deserve to enjoy it. So to enjoy it, well, you don't need to have a big one like that, a big bottle like that to enjoy it. You can simply have a few, perhaps 1 milliliter that you dissolve in a bigger bottle with jojoba oil or another type of base oil. You put a little bit in your hand like that, and you inhale it, you visualize it going all over your body, and you exhale what you don't need in you, all your bad thoughts or your stress, and you visualize it in dark, in black, something you don't need, okay? You do it several times. And you exhale. You get rid of it. One more time. It should be an experience. It could be almost like orgasmic, a type of very liberating and pleasurable inspiration, inspire. Anyway, I hope you'll love it. And anyway, I'll see you next week for another essential oil of the week. Take care.